In today's video, you are going to learn how to do Surya Namaskar in traditional way. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe this YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my videos. Namaste everyone, I am Shahida. Let's begin. So in first set, I am going to share how to do the body movement, and in second set, I am going to teach you how to breathe. So first, come at the beginning of your mat, joining the heels and toes together. If you find it difficult to join the legs together, you can keep the legs apart like this also. So, at the beginning of your mat, stand straight, nice and strong, relax your facial muscles. Join your palms in front of your chest with normal breathing. Pranamasana, posture 1. Raise your hands up, arch your back. Hasta Uttanasana. Bend forward, stretch your hands in front. Place your palms to the mat, head towards your knee, Pada Hastasana. Posture number 4. Right leg goes back. Ashwa Sanchalanasana, left leg between both your palms. Posture number 5. Parvatasana. Heels and toes together. Ashtang Namaskar, knee down, hip up, chest down, chin down. Bhujangasana, cobra, heels and toes together, head up, chest up. Tuck your toes, hip up. Parvatasana. Head down. Left leg goes forward. Right leg stay back, right knee down, right toe out, look up, push your chest out, arch your back, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Right leg forward, head towards your knee, Pada Hastasana. Arch your back, come to the standing position, Hasta Uttanasana and Pranamasana. Second round with left leg. Posture number 1, palms in front of your chest, Pranamasana. Posture number 2, raise your hands up, arch your back, Hasta Uttanasana. Posture number 3, bend forward, Pada Hastasana. Posture number 4, left leg goes back, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Posture number 5, Parvatasana. Posture number 6, Ashtang Namaskar, knee down, hip up, chest down, chin down. Posture number 7, Bhujanga Asana. Posture number 8, Parvatasana. Posture number 9, right leg forward, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Posture number 10, Pada Hastasana, left leg in front. Posture number 11, arch your back, Hasta Uttanasana. Posture number 12, Pranamasana. Once you are comfortable with the body movement, let's incorporate, let's add the breathing also. So with the help of this video, you are going to learn how to breathe in Surya Namaskar, and it is really important that you practice Surya Namaskar with the breathing so that you become more aware about this body and your mind. So let's begin with the breathing. Both your hands by the side of your body. Pranamasana, normal breathing. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Pada Hastasana. Inhale, right goes back, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Retain your breath, knee down, hip up, chest down, chin down, Ashtang Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg forward. Ashwasanchalanasan. Exhale, right forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, palms in front of your chest. So this is one round with the right. Second round with the left. Inhale and exhale, Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana, arch your back. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, left goes back, Ashwasanchalanasan. Exhale, right goes back, Parvatasana. Retain, knee down, hip up, chest down, chin down, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right forward, Ashwasanchalanasan. Exhale, left forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, come to the standing position, arch your back. Exhale, palms in front of your chest and hands down. Congratulations, you have learned how to do Surya Namaskar with correct breathing practice. Repeat the practice every day, then only you are going to learn how to breathe while performing all these asanas. It is not a one-day job, you have to keep on practicing. Now let me also share few adjustments for beginners. So if you are doing Surya Namaskar for the first time and your body is too stiff, so I am sharing few variations. So what you do, heels and toes together, hands by the side of your body. Inhale and exhale, Pranamasana. Inhale, arch your back. So try to just open your chest and arch your back like this. Do not bend your knee like this. So keep your knee straight, arch your back. And while bending forward, stretch your hands in front. And if you are not able to place your palm like this, so you can bend the knee slightly like this and head towards your knee for beginners. Now, keeping the right leg back like this, try to keep your left leg between both your palms. It should not go like this. Okay? So adjust your legs accordingly. And then in Parvatasana, keep your heels and toes together. Exhale. Ashtanga Namaskar, knee down, hip up, chest down, chin down. And when you are doing Bhujangasana, keep your heels together and lift your chest up. Keep your navel region on the mat. Do not lift this much, okay? Otherwise, you are going to hurt your back. Also, when you are doing Parvatasana, keep your heels together and try to look towards your toe. And then left leg forward. And if you are not able to bring your leg between both your hands, what you can do is keep your knee down like this and then lift your left, like with the help of your hand, bring your leg in front like this and push your hip forward like this. And then other leg forward, keep your knee bent if you are not able to keep your leg straight, and then arch your back and palms in front of your chest like this. Let's do one more set of Surya Namaskar with proper breathing. So we begin. Inhale and exhale, Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Ashwasanchalanasan, right goes back. Exhale, Parvatasana. Retain your breath. Ashtanga Namaskar, knee down, hip up, chest down, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. From here, all the postures you are going to repeat. So right was back. This time, left will come in front. Ashwasanchalanasan, inhale. Padahastasana, exhale. Hasta Uttanasana, inhale. Pranamasana, exhale. One with the left. Inhale and exhale, Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, left goes back. Exhale, right goes back. Retain your breath, Ashtanga Namaskar. Bhujangasana, inhale. Parvatasana, exhale. Right front, inhale. Left front, exhale. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, palms in front of your chest. Now breathe, legs apart, hands by the side of your body. Observe your breathing pattern. So as a beginner, start with 3 to 5 sets of Surya Namaskar, and after 2 to 3 weeks of practice, you can increase the number of rounds as per your comfort. Have some patience, keep on practicing. Your body will automatically adjust and your body will support you. Do not push yourself too hard to achieve some numbers. Don't run after some numbers. So give yourself time. After doing Surya Namaskar, you must do and you should do Shavasana for 5 minutes. So lie down on your back, rest. If you want to practice yoga under my guidance and you want to learn asanas, pranayama, meditation, relaxation, yogic cleansing technique, you all are welcome to join my online yoga classes. These online yoga classes are conducted on Zoom and duration of these classes is 1 hour. Every day you learn different practices. Who can join these yoga classes? If you are a beginner, if you are already practicing yoga, or if you are having any health condition. Let me tell you, there are many students of mine, they were suffering from many health conditions, stress-borne health conditions like diabetes, thyroid, hypertension, high blood pressure, excessive stress, PCOD, PCOS problem, insomnia problem, joints, arthritis related problem. They started practicing yoga under my guidance. And after a few weeks of practice, they have started doing yoga regularly, and also they have improved their lifestyle and they got a lot of benefit. They are able to overcome from their health condition. I highly recommend all of you to join these yoga classes. If you're not able to join these yoga classes on Zoom, no problem. I have some recorded courses for you. You can, after the registration, you will get immediate access. You can practice at your home. You must be thinking what you are going to learn in these recorded courses. So you are going to learn asanas, pranayama, meditation in a sequence, and this course is also beginner friendly. If you want to know more information about these Zoom classes and recorded course, I have shared my website here, www.yogawithshahida.com. Also, I have shared my WhatsApp number here. You can do a WhatsApp and you will get all the details immediately. Thank you so much for watching the video till end. I'm sure now you know the technique of Surya Namaskar. But still, if you have any confusion, if you have any suggestion, if you have any feedback, feel free to comment below. Please subscribe this YouTube channel if you haven't. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and keep practicing yoga every day. I'll see you all in next coming videos. Please take care of yourself. Namaste.